Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to fix Fall Guys Epic Games account error code 200001, then this is the right video for you. First, open your Epic Games launcher. Then go to Profile on the top right and then sign out. After that, log back in. If that doesn't fix your problem, go to Library. From here, click on the three dots below Fall Guys. Then go to Manage and click on Verify beside Verify Files. If that doesn't work, close Epic Games Launcher. Now search and open Command Prompt on your computer. From here, select Run as Administrator. Now type in the following commands: ipconfig /flush DNS, then press Enter. After that, type in ipconfig /renew. Then press Enter again. Then type in netsh winsock reset. Then press Enter. After it's done, close Command Prompt. And then search and open View Network Status on your computer. From here, click on your Wi-Fi name. Then go to Properties. From here, select Internet Protocol version 4. Now go to Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Now set Preferred DNS Server as 8888 and Alternate DNS Server as 8844. Then click on OK. Now close everything up and restart your computer. And it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.